Hello, I'm William Brightwell with Brightwell Law here in Pensacola, Florida. Very often the question comes up, do I need to revise my estate plan? Today, what I'm going to do is help you answer that question. People have the question, I have an old estate. That's okay, right? The short answer to this common question is probably not. Estate planning is not a one and done task. It's an ongoing process. In general, as your life changes, so should your estate plan. Accordingly, it is important to review your estate planning periodically and revise it as needed to ensure that it lines up with your current wishes and continues to serve your estate planning goals. How often should you review your estate plan? You should review your estate plan at regular intervals. Depending on your age, this might mean every 3 to 5 years, perhaps every milestone birthday. As part of your regular reviews, think about your current estate plan and ask, who benefits? Is everyone you want to benefit accounted for? Are individuals named in your estate plan that you no longer wish to share in your estate? Are all of your assets and property included in your estate plan? Who is designated as your financial agent, your healthcare surrogate, your guardian for your children? And are you still comfortable with all of your designations? Do you still trust these individuals? Depending on the answer to the questions, you may want to revise your estate plan. In addition to these regular reviews, you should review your estate plan in conjunction with significant life events, such as a change in your marital status, your family status, or your employment status, a change in your health, or the health of your spouse, or a family member, a change in your financial situation, or your long-term financial goals, a change in residence, if you move to another state, a change in circumstances involving the person named guardian of your minor children, or a change in circumstances involving the person designated as your agent for financial affairs or healthcare decisions should you become incapacitated. Any one of these events is likely to trigger a need to revise your estate plan. So, how do you go about doing that? There are specific procedures and the best practices for making changes to each of these components of your estate plan. What works best for you will depend in part on your specific circumstances, but there are a handful of ground rules that apply across the board. I'm going to go over these ground rules. The first one is treat your original estate plan document with great care. Do not unstaple the originals or make copies or remove old pages. Never make handwritten changes to any of your estate planning documents. Handwritten changes are likely to be ineffective, and at worst, they can void the entire document. Second thing is, review your beneficiary designations. This step is often overlooked, but it's important to review your beneficiary designations as part of your estate planning review. Make sure that your designations are consistent with the rest of your estate plan and do not cause an adverse tax consequences for you or your beneficiaries. Third thing I want to say is don't put it off. If you know you need to revise one or more components of your estate plan, do it as soon as possible. Delay opens up the door for unexpected events that might frustrate your intentions. The fourth thing is reach out to an estate planning attorney. There are specific rules that must be followed in drafting and exercising an estate plan. These same rules apply to revising your estate plan, and you have to follow these rules. The legal and practical consequences of a mistake are likely to cause confusion and undermine all of your careful planning and good intentions. There is too much at stake to risk a do-it-yourself revision. If changes in your life made it necessary to change your estate planning documents, seek the advice of an experienced estate planning attorney. If you have questions about reviewing or modifying your estate plan, or just estate plan questions in general, give us a call at 850-332-0003 to schedule your free consultation.